जो स्टेटस था ट्विटर का वो ख़त्म कर देगी गवर्नमेंट, और ट्विटर विल बी डायरेक्टली एक्यूज्ड इन एनी ऑफ द लीगल केस। तो हर किसी लीगल केस के अंदर ट्विटर को डायरेक्ट पार्टी बनाया जा सकेगा। अगर ट्विटर ये अपना नाम नहीं देती है नोडल ऑफिसर का, तो ट्विटर को डायरेक्ट एक पार्टी बनाया जाएगा, और कोर्ट केस के अंदर ट्विटर एक पार्टी होगी और ट्विटर को खुद अपना केस उस कोर्ट में डिफेंड करना पड़ेगा। देखिए, जो आज की डेट में जो हालात नज़र आ रहे हैं उसमें ऐसा लगता नहीं, क्योंकि इसमें करने की कुछ नहीं ज़रूरत है। सिर्फ इसमें जो ट्विटर का, मैंने पहले भी बोला कि ट्विटर का जो इंटरमीडिएटरी वाला जो स्टेटस है वो ख़त्म हो जाएगा और ट्विटर खुद एक पार्टी बन जाएगी। अभी तक ये था कि इंटरमीडिएटरी का मतलब ये था कि ट्विटर उस किसी भी कंटेंट के लिए खुद लाइबल नहीं है, खुद जिम्मेवार नहीं है। लेकिन ये ना होने से अब ट्विटर जो है खुद लाइबल होगी और खुद कोर्ट, मतलब एक पार्टी बन जाएगी कोर्ट के अंदर, किसी भी ऐसे केस के अंदर जिसमें कि सरकार या लॉ इन्फोर्समेंट एजेंसी ट्विटर को डायरेक्टली सू कर सकती है। पहले ये था कि इंटरमीडिएटरी बनाने के बाद, क्योंकि जो स्टेटस इनको दिया गया था सोशल मीडिया कंपनीज को, वो इंटरमीडिएटरी का एक स्टेटस था, जिसमें भी एक विकेरियस लाइबिलिटी एक टर्म होता है लॉ के अंदर, तो विकेरियस लाइबिलिटी ये कहीं ना कहीं आती थी इनके ऊपर। लेकिन अभी अगर आप करंट देखेंगे तो इनका जो इंटरमीडिएटरी वाला जो सिस्टम है वो ख़त्म हो गया और डायरेक्टली ट्विटर ही लाइबल होगा और ट्विटर को वो केस डायरेक्टली कोर्ट में अटेंड करना पड़ेगा। So if we really look at the current impact of the situation where Twitter has denied, or Twitter has actually given the name, but it has been rejected by the government because it was not an employee of Twitter, it was a member of a law firm. So what will happen now is the government is going to, or not only government, actually the legal system, the law will not give them the status of intermediary, which was not making them liable of any content, because they were not producing the content. They are actually not producing the content directly. It is people coming on the platform and writing the content. But now with Twitter not implying as per the regulations of the government, now Twitter will become the direct party to any of the court case. So their status as an intermediary will be vanished, will go away, and they will have to manage, or they will have to face the consequences of the law in case there is any legal case because of the content posted on Twitter. So it's not about the time, it's nothing is going to happen in this scenario. The only thing which will impact is the status of Twitter as an intermediary. You have to very clear what will impact. The impact is clear that the status of Twitter as an intermediary will finish, and they will become directly liable for any content posted on Twitter. If there is any court case, Twitter will become a party to that court case directly. Earlier, if they would have provided, or if they provide the name of a nodal officer, then Twitter does not become a party to the content or party to the court case. It remains as an intermediary. So with this, the status of intermediary will finish, and they will become a direct liable for the particular content if there is a court case. See, look at the scenario. So government is not banning it. We have to look at, I'm actually not in government and I will not be able to comment on what will be the strategy of the government, but looking like the intentions of the government has been pro-business and pro-investments coming into India. So we have to be very clear that government might not, and it looks to me, it's my personal view, I'm not speaking on behalf of government, but looking like that the government will not ban Twitter and there is no need to ban Twitter. But what it looks like is that the status of Twitter as an intermediary will finish from immediate effect. They will become a direct party to any case if it happens. As of now, the current status of Twitter is an intermediary. That means that the Twitter is not liable for any content posted on it. They are only a platform which is providing a space for people to come and write on it. So they are not the direct party. But what will happen with the intermediary status gone? Because the Twitter has not complied with the legal requirements as required by the government of India, what will happen is the intermediary status will finish. With that, Twitter will become direct party to any legal case or legal suit if it happens in future.